This lesson deals with rectangles and squares. The first word problem, we're trying to figure out how much Tyra will spend on putting a border strip in her kitchen. The formula to find the area for a rectangle is length times width. The length is 7.1 and the width is 5.4. So when we multiply those two dimensions together, we get 38.34 square meters. Now to find the cost, just multiply that amount by $5.99. And rounding our answer to the nearest cent or nearest penny, it will cost Tyra $229.66 to put a decorative border strip in her kitchen. Next example, Mr. and Mrs. Gomez are buying carpet for their square-shaped bedroom, which measures 9 yards along each wall. The carpet is $20 per square foot, and padding and installation is another $3 per square yard. I probably said per square foot for the carpet, but I meant square yard, sorry. How much will they spend in all? Well, we know that the total cost is $20 plus $3 additional. Now we need to find the area of the square, and that is the given side squared, or just, in this case, 9 times 9. So 81 square yards is the dimensions of the area of the bedroom. Now to find the total cost, you take 81 and multiply it by 23. So it will cost them $1,863 for padding and installation total. Next example, top of the page. A rectangular playing field is 75 yards long and has an area of 4,500 square yards. Find the width of the field. Now this one is a little different. It's just not regular plug and chug multiplication like the other problems. You're still using your area formula for a rectangle, length times width, but the twist is you're given the area now. So we have 4,500 equal to the length is 75, and W is what we're trying to find. Now to solve a simple equation like this one, just think opposite operations. The opposite of multiplication is division. So to solve for W, divide both sides by the number that's on the same side as your W, which is 75. And when we divide, our missing width is exactly 60 yards. The next example also involves a rectangle, but this time around perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle shown is 57 feet. Find its width. The rectangle is one of the few shapes that actually has a formula to find its perimeter. And it is P equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And what is pictured is the length. And we're also given the perimeter, so let's plug in those two values into our formula. Two times 9 is 38. Now, to solve this equation requires two steps. We need to somehow move the 38 over to the left-hand side with the 57. So you think opposite signs. The opposite of a plus 38 is a minus 38. So we need to subtract 38 from both sides. And that gives us 19 on that side, equal to 2W. Now, to find W, again, you think opposite operations. The opposite of multiplication, or 2 times W, is division. So to solve for W, just divide both sides by 2. Now, 19 divided by 2, that will give us 9.5 as a decimal. And there's an easy way to check your answer. Just take 9.5 and 9.5, which is these sides here, and 19 and 19, and add those dimensions together. And you should get 57 for the perimeter.